What if, instead of looking out, you look inwards to find the source of creative design? What if you listen to the whispering room and sought connection with Mother Earth's elements? Imagine a renovation of a once cramped and dark bathroom that is not just a physical transformation, but a place that brings a spiritual dimension of light. This is the journey of finding light, a transformative exploration of what's possible when we listen to the wisdom of the universe. Finding light, the transformative journey of a bathroom renovation. Coming soon.